And it goes a little something like
I'll keep love you warm all summer and after fall. I'll keep you warm all summer and after fall.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a GFX with the latest version of Blender, which is 3.1.2. So yeah, the first thing I want to do is I want to open a Roblox here and just select any base kit. I have just opened a classic base kit. Next, you want to go to your toolbox here and select models to plugins. Once you have done that, get the load corrector plugin here, and once you got the load corrector, click insert. Oh wow. Click insert. Once you search that and got this plugin too, you want to go to plugins tab, open up load corrector. You want to just open up your character. I'm just gonna use one. For example, nature spawn at organ has an X on it and sex spawn R6. Okay, once you have spawned your character, you want to go ahead, open up the insert now. I just like to open like right over here. And now you want to open your browser and just select any pants, shirt, hair, and etc. you want. This part is object if you want to change your avatar. Only do this if you want to change your avatar. Now here's this code. I'm going to select it and copy it. Go to Roblox Studio, go to click insert, action. Click the drop down arrow in the Explorer on the character and just select your pants and just go to brand into here properties and just paste the ID which is got. And then now it's the same thing for the shirt. So yeah, I will do that. Once I have okay, never mind. I'm not going to. Okay, here it is, and bam, bam, bam. Oh wait, you know what, let's just do that, and delete that. I just got that shirt from the insert, so okay. Oh, okay, that's done. Now to change my face, I'm just gonna go to head, click the drop down arrow, go to face here, go here for images, and just search up the face I want. I want a happy face, so yeah. And make sure the image you're selecting has a transparent background. So yeah. Okay, there. Now you're gonna right click on the image and select copy asset ID. Then you want to go to click the face, go to properties, texture, and just paste that ID which is copied. Now to change your hair, select your old hair first, and then your browser, select the hair you want. Here is mine. Copy it. Open up quick insert and paste that ID. Now once you have done that, go ahead, drag the hair to the other like this, like that, and oh okay, drag the body parts. No, you just have to drag the corrector, not the body parts. Okay, there we go. And we have hair, yay, and just wait. Okay. Now I just need to add accessory, which is this one. So I'm just gonna copy it to right click, copy, and click insert, paste that, and the same thing. Just drag the thing into it, just like that. Okay, once you're done that, go ahead, right click on your character and for the export selection and just save it wherever you want. I'm just gonna save it here and name it as GFX tutorial and save it. Okay, once that's done, you can X out of Roblox Studio. I'm just gonna X out of it. And now, open up your Blender. If you don't have the layer editor of Blender, I'm just going to link it in the description, and I will also link the boomerang. Now go to File, Open, and open your boomerang. I'm going to link it in the description. Okay, now once that's done, to move it's Shift and the squiggly key under the Shift and squiggly key, and to control WASD and Shift to go faster. And once you have done that, you want to go ahead, delete the full head of the braid. Just like that, you can just drag by holding the left click. Not anything else except the head and the head outlines. Okay, now once that's done, click File, Import, Wavefront OBJ. Find the character we saved on the Roblox Studio. Here is mine. Make sure to click on the OBJ, not the NDL. Then set geometry, split by group, import the OBJ. And then you want to delete every single part of this character except your head, hair, and accessories. Once that's done, oh yeah, also to select multiple items at a time like this, hold shift and click left click. Okay, now I'm gonna select hair and select all of these at the same time. Right click, join, right click again, set orient, orient to geometry. Once that's done, go ahead here to X is 90, make sure to do that, Y 0 and Z 180. Okay, once that's done, you wanna go ahead and move the head to your rig the way you want it to go. Okay. And yeah. I'm just going to move it. And see on how it works. Just gonna take a little bit down and a little bit on here. Okay, once that's done, go ahead, select any body part, not the outlines, only the body parts, and of the rig, by the way, not the head. And then click this thingy, editor type, and select shader editor, and just like click on this texture icon. And not really click on it, just like click on this whole icon on the texture, and find the place where we save the character from Roblox Studio. Just get the image from there now. For you, it can be named something else, but for me, it's handle underscore diff.png. Okay. So yeah, once that's done, we have added a vector. Click on the ball and set this to 3D viewport. Okay, now your character has texture. Yes. Ooh. Okay, now we're gonna move on to the main part, which is posing. So yeah, now just click on any of the outlines here, and if it does not bring you to pose mode here, you can just go to object mode and pose mode right there. Okay, now rotate and just pose it however you like. And yeah, I'm just going to do like a cute pose while it's waving. So, and I'm just gonna do this. I'm gonna rotate the hair like this now. This thing is something like this. That and this, I'm just gonna put like a hand on the waist for this hand. So yeah. almost there. Okay, once your pose is done, go to object mode now, select add, camera, click the camera icon here, and it's the same things to move like you moved before. So now just move this, like select the part you want to get in the camera. Here is part I'm gonna get. Okay. And then click this, make sure this is on cycles, denoise, and go to fill, exposure or Q10, which is the max, and then this to Blackman Harris and this to 0.01, pixel filter, and select transparent if you don't have any background. And then click this printer thingy and select this to a PNG. Select the folder you want to save it in. Here is mine. I just want to name it as GFX tutorial. Accept. RGBA, and again. Now click the corner for scroll down. Ambient occlusion, and now click the render icon. This the fourth ball, and then click this earth, and then select the lighting or whatever you want it. I'm just going to do it a little bit more brighter, just like that. Once you have done that, oh yeah, also if you like go back here, if you are at the camera, you can actually select the camera size too. Like you see, but I just like it at 90, which is 90 which is normal. And then once you've done that, render image, and you just now have to wait for it to render. So yeah, I will be back once it's rendered. Oh yeah, you can see the time here. So yeah. Okay, once your image is rendered, click on the image here and select save as, and just save it wherever you want. I'm just going to save it here and name it as JPEG tutorial. Yes, JPEG tutorial, yes, that's what I'm gonna name it as. And click save as image, and bam, your GFX is done. You will be able to find it wherever you want to save it. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Yeah, bye guys, bye.